Hi there, my friends. It's been a while. I hope you've all been doing well. I've missed you guys so much and I'm incredibly excited to be back. So let's not waste any more time and learn how to draw this cute little bat. We're gonna start drawing one big oval for the head. Then we're gonna add two more ovals for the eyes. Add round highlights inside. And fill the space around highlights in. We can add two eyebrows and then draw two curves for the hair. Alright. To draw a mouth, we're gonna start with one curved line between the eyes, then add fangs on the sides, connect both fangs with another U shape below, draw another curve inside for the tongue, and fill this area in. To make our bat look cuter, we're gonna add two ovals for the cheeks. Okay, now we can start drawing ears. And first, we're gonna draw two lines going up and to the sides, like this. Then we create an angle by adding a short line here. And finish the shape of the ear with big curve. Then we can add more details inside the ears. Once we are done with the head, we can start drawing the body. The body is going to be simple U shape with the oval on the bottom. Next, we are going to draw his legs. Start with two curved lines. Then we're gonna add his feet. And let's add two short lines to complete the shape. Alright, we are ready to draw wings. You might think that bats' wings are a little bit complicated to draw, but I will show you how to do it in an easy way. We're gonna start with one wide U shape going from the head to the side, and starting from the end of this U shape, we're gonna draw three straight lines going down. Then we're gonna connect the ends of these lines. And then connect it to the body. The same thing here. One U shape, 3 lines going down. Connect them together. And connect the end of the wing with the body. And that's it. We will just add little fingers here, and our line work is done. So next I'm going to color this little body, and I will speed up the process. You can always pause the video if you need to catch up. And as always, the most fun part is coming after. See you shortly. Okay, we are done coloring. And now my favorite part, getting creative with this drawing. I can give you a couple of ideas of how to make this drawing even more fun. You can try drawing the same bat, but in a cute Halloween outfit. Or let him enjoy some spooky treats. And again guys, I'm so happy to be back and hope to see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye!